parang ako rin nape-pressure din ako, like nasa mid-20s na ako. And alam mo yung gusto ko by 30 nakasettle na ako. Yung mga ganon. So parang, ano ba, like, ikaw ba, may tanong ako, personal question.
I love that question, yung nakasettle ka na. I think, when you're in your 20s, parang meron kang weird biological clock na parang, okay,
Yun,
like,
especially for women.
na parang, I'm supposed to meet parang these people already who I will be in collaboration with, who will be my friends, who will be there with me. Parang, yes, that is good, but at the end of the day, you are still going to meet so many more amazing, wise, funny, inspiring people like way beyond your 30s. Kasi you feel like gusto mo nang i-lock in kung sino yung barkada mo pagdating mo ng like early 30s. But you are depriving yourself of the really amazing people pa who are yet to make an introduction to your life. So,
exactly.
So parang, yes, keep a base of like friends that you wanna be with, but also make room for the universe's magic. Na, diba? There are other people out there who are meant to lead you to your best case scenario.
Parang sa sinabi ni Miss Lynn of Unang Hirit, kasi nung nag-travel kami, sabi pa niya, you know what, Cheska, when you get to your 50s, you're still gonna meet a lot of people pa talaga who's gonna mold you because you're still gonna grow by that age. Kasi ganyan din mga tanong ko sa kanya. Paano pag 50 na ako? Ano na mangyayari? Ano yung experience mo? Mga ganun.
I'm curious, now that you're, yun nga, 30 plus, how do you find the balance between, siguro nung 20s ka, or basta when you were younger, how were you able to find the balance between yung having a goal for yourself, na, syempre, it's important naman to have goals and checkpoints in your life na that you aspire towards or that you work towards. How did you find the balance between having a goal na at a certain age you're settled or settled in whatever aspect in your life, versus also knowing na, yun nga, your best days are ahead of you and that wala namang nakaset na timeline for anyone's life and anything can happen to you at any moment. So, paano mo na-navigate yung ganun?
So because I also do improv, so meron kaming improv lesson, improv adage that says, hold tightly, let go lightly. Which meaning like if meron kang inaalagaan na dream, like go, ibigay mo yung best effort mo yan. But if meron kang nakuhang signal from the universe that, hey, maybe dapat mag-redirect tayo, like be prepared to completely surrender. I know it's easier said than done kasi parang the best laid plans can just go crazy after, some intervention from the universe. But know na at the end of the day, nasa sayo pa rin naman when your best days are ahead of you. Diba? Ikaw pa rin ang may call eh. Parang kukontrolin mo pa rin yun eh. I guess, I say that when I was stuck in my corporate job, 5-7 years into it, sabi ko, shit, i-give up ko na ba tong dream ko of performing? But I continued to take improv classes, writing classes, and then eventually the right time came wherein nakapag-transition ako smoothly into a second career, which is now comedy. So I guess ang ano doon is parang just keep doing the work. I think meron ka namang inner compass na malalaman mo na parang tama pa rin naman, this still feels authentic to me, to my dreams. And really, ang kaya mo lang naman pagkatiwalaan is yung nararamdaman mo for the day because you don't know how tomorrow's gonna turn out.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that you cannot control, but what you can control is yourself, how your mindset goes.
Yes.
So, yun.
Tinginan.
So, yun.
Nag-aantay ako baka may mga magdadagdag or what.